To Los Angeles attorney Anthony Vieira, representing people who have been injured or who have suffered substantial loss due to the negligence of others is more than just a job.
This is not simply a business, and it's more than a profession.
To Anthony Vieira, it is a passion, a commitment to helping people. It's an important part of why his firm exists today.
If you're fortunate, you at some point realize that there is something in life that you've been appointed to do. And if you are even more fortunate, you realize that that thing is something that is not just in the service of yourself, but in the service of others.
Serving others is a way of life for this South Central Illinois native who was raised with strong values. His father worked in the trades, in plumbing and air conditioning, and his mother worked helping children at a local deaf and blind school. Anthony Vieira's sincere and overwhelming desire to compassionately help everyday people who have been severely harmed is foundational to what his law office is all about.
Not only are we aware that we need to be compassionate towards people, but it's actually part of who we are. We're not just legal processors, but we're attorneys and counselors at law, and we're doing our best to hear what folks are really saying.
All of the attorneys and support staff at the law offices of Anthony Vieira have that same sensitivity and approach when it comes to the treatment of their clients. Whether it's representing victims of mesothelioma and asbestos cases, toxic tort, product liability, or catastrophic personal injury, the attorneys and staff at the law offices of Anthony Vieira have what it takes to give full attention to the needs of their clients.
We've got folks that are investigators. I've got other lawyers. I've got secretaries and paralegals. They're an integral part of what I do. And this is the sort of a situation where you're always going to be able to get a hold of one of us, irrespective of what your need is at any particular time, if you're our client.
Anthony Vieira and his team are so respected, they have been hired to try cases for other law firms in Southern California, the Bay Area in Northern California, and in other states around the country. The fact that their legal expertise and services are in such demand by other law firms speaks volumes about the skill set and integrity of the entire Vieira team. Anthony Vieira has literally tried hundreds of cases in some of the most challenging legal venues in America. He started his career early on in the United States Navy as a prosecutor and a Navy defense lawyer. He then later joined the Los Angeles District Attorney's Office as a prosecuting attorney in the elite hardcore gang unit, trying murders and serious gang conspiracy cases. His courtroom trial experiences then expanded to representing clients in civil cases, serious personal injury, product liability, and wrongful death cases. With this depth of trial experience and his extremely unique and diverse background, Anthony Vieira has been recognized and respected for his dedication to excellence in trial advocacy, as well as providing exceptional representation for his clients.
My experiences have been from beginning to end courtroom experiences. So I've spent my time in the courtroom battling all kinds of folks.
Operating in challenging environments has paved the way for many case and courtroom successes for Anthony Vieira and his team and their clients. Anthony Vieira has assisted hundreds of people with successful resolution of their cases and has helped to obtain multi-millions in settlements and verdicts for deserving individuals and families. He has tried cases for many other law firms, small businesses, individuals and families, all with unique backgrounds, situations, and circumstances, and each given the very best of service.
Everybody that hires us should know this, that we will come more prepared than anyone else. We'll do it both before filing, we'll do it in the discovery of the case, in the litigation of the case, during the depositions, and certainly when we get to the trial, we will be more prepared than anyone.